innovation for waste minimization.
The BECCA H2O DRY Waterborne Waste Paint Drying System. The process dries the waste waterborne paint, allowing it to be disposed of as regular or special solid waste. The BECCA H2O DRY system includes 6 bottles of a specially formulated powder, 1 5-gallon mixing container that has a fill line for 2.5 gallons, 3 disposable container liners, and 3 disposable stir sticks. 2 bottles of H2O DRY are required to treat 2.5 gallons of paint waste. As waterborne paint waste is accumulated during the gun cleaning and rinsing process, BECCA recommends that the paint and rinse waste be dumped into a 5-gallon H2O DRY container, which has a plastic disposable liner. The H2O DRY process is to simply scatter 2 bottles of H2O DRY into the waste paint and stir vigorously for 30 to 60 seconds until all the powder is completely dispersed in the waste paint. The waste will begin to gel quickly. H2O DRY is specially formulated absorbent for drying waterborne paint waste. Now let's watch a demonstration of how the H2O DRY absorbs the liquid from the waste paint. Let's begin by using a clear container and add 1.25 gallons of tinted color water. Then we add a bottle of H2O DRY and stir. Notice how quickly the H2O DRY absorbs the liquid and begins to gel. This is the process the waste waterborne paint goes through when adding BECCA H2O DRY. Now back to the actual H2O DRY process. As you can see, after being undisturbed for an hour or so, the H2O DRY has absorbed all the liquid. It will have a consistency resembling firm jello. It can then be disposed of as regular or special waste in its liner. The waste paint will continue to dry over time. BECCA suggests that the first batch be tested by a professional lab and that the documentation be kept on file should a local jurisdiction wish to see it. BECCA H2O DRY can be purchased in the full starter kit with everything needed to process 3 2.5 gallon batches, which will be 7.5 gallons of paint waste. It can also be purchased as a replacement kit with 3 disposable liners, 3 stir sticks, and 6 bottles of H2O DRY. The specially formulated powder can also be purchased as a replacement kit containing 6 bottles of H2O DRY.
Innovation for waste minimization.